Legacy 2.0. That's right, Legacy 2.0 is gonna be huge, folks. Breaking news. The Legacy 2.0, this new launch is going to happen in a hop, skip, and a jump, March 11th at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, where Michelle O'Neill is located. I'm over here in the Big Apple, New York City. That will be 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And folks, there's one thing we know up north, that March comes in like a lion and leaves like a lamb. And I'm here to tell you, Legacy Builder 2.0, yes, Legacy 2.0 is going to come in the same way, folks. And don't forget this. A good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. Folks, if you could remember just a couple short years ago when the Legacy Builder program launched, listen in, and how many came in early and crushed it. 18 millionaires in South Africa alone, and folks, it's around the world. And now you, yes, you have a chance of coming in Legacy 2.0 and crush it. This is going to be huge. It's already a six-figure proven blueprint. It's been proven over and over, folks. Over $30 million has been made. And Michelle O'Neill is on her $4 million. Folks, you do not want to miss Legacy 2.0. And for those of you in Paulie B's inner circle, you want to jump aboard. It's going to be $39 to upgrade. Yes, just $39. And folks, I'm getting started with a new YouTube channel. Why? Because I know very well that you want to get your digital real estate up there. You want to get your content out. And Michelle O'Neill is calling it March Madness. You want to market like you've never done before. And where have I been? I've been getting ready for the launch. And for those of you who are ready, the link is going to be in the description. I'm going to renew the description as soon as I get my new link for Legacy 2.0. Some are calling it Legacy Builder Program 2.0, this, that, and the other. But the name is Legacy 2.0. Folks, need I say more? Documentation beats conversation. And there are those who've been crushing it with the Legacy Builder program. Over and over, we see people just amazingly hit millionaire status in less than a year. You're not going to see the Legacy Builder program, Paulie B's Inner Circle, like this anymore. The next one is going to be Legacy 2.0. Folks, I don't know about you, but I am excited. And when we go over to our back office in the digital growth community, Michelle O'Neill is excited too. And let's just listen in to what she has to say to us.
And today I'm going to talk to you guys about Legacy 2.0. Yep, that's right. It's loading right now. I'm going to share this with you. March is going to be March Madness. March and April are going to be the most insane months. We're doing some changing to the Legacy Builders program, and we're doing something that is really going to set us apart. And not only is it going to set us apart, it's going to be a huge way to create a marketing campaign. It's going to help you market it easier, and you're going to really stand out. So why Legacy 2.0? Well, it's no different than anything, right? You can go buy a car, and next year they've just made some adjustments to the car, and they're always just making it better, right? Well, that's us with the Legacy Builder. We will always continue to improve it. We will always continue to make it better. We will always continue to fill the gap. So we are updating the website. It is absolutely amazing. We're going to be updating the email automations, and we're going to be updating the capture pages. And we're even going to give you guys the ability to do an A/B testing with the capture pages if you want. Do not let that overwhelm you. That's just an option that you have. We will be showing you how to do that. So we're super excited for what's happening. But here's my challenge for you. You will get more details. I'm going to be giving more details on the Legacy Builders call on Tuesday, okay, 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're in the Legacy Builder program, you are going to get more details on Tuesday because I need your feedback. But here's why I'm having this conversation with you now, before it launches. Because why not you go 2.0? Why not you make, okay, when the Legacy improves, enhances, why don't I? Why don't you go with it, right? New you, new website. We're really raising the standards. We're really looking to attract a little bit of a different quality of person, people that feel like they're entitled, that feel like they're ready to invest and put the work in to make the money, right? So we're really, it's so good, by the way. So super excited about that. But I want you to just think about that. Legacy 2.0. What about you? I'm going Michelle O'Neill 2.0. Let's go. Let's go. We will continue to go. We'll continue to be innovative. That's what stands us apart. Not the fact that you get 100% profit. That's awesome. But the fact that we are always improving it. We're always enhancing it. And we will always have live interactive calls. So I want you to really think about, you becoming that 2.0 version, because I will tell you what, more people will make $10,000 in March than have ever before. There will be more six-figure income earners created. But why won't it happen to most? Because of right here. They'll get in the weeds of everything and they'll worry about the little things that don't matter. They're not a forward thinker. They won't be the visionary. So I'm challenging you and I'm encouraging you today. Become the visionary. Create content about Legacy 2.0's coming, where they're enhancing the website, and we are doing something that is going to completely stand us out, that you are going to absolutely love. I'm so fired up about it. I can't wait to share it with you. But I want you to really reflect and be like, dude, I'm getting ready to walk into March as 2.0. So more details will come next week. Hopefully we can get a lot done this weekend, but we will do a marketing campaign prior to that. You guys will need to switch your websites out, and then we'll be launching it to the entire world. So 2.0, baby, let me know in the comments if you are ready. Let me know in the comments. I am so excited.
So folks, let me just simply ask you this. Are you ready to go 2.0? Well, I've already started. And for those of you who are in Paulie B's Inner Circle, yes, we're going to have to do a new funnel. And if you look at the digital growth community, there are offers from $197 to $297. If you want us here at Paulie B's Inner Circle to do that funnel for you, it's $150. You'll have it within a day. And for those of you who are joining the Legacy Builder program right now as we speak, no worries. You will be grandfathered in with the $39 upgrade. No worries about that. Folks, I am excited. Legacy 2.0, here we go. Listen, folks, it's already a proven system. We've already done over $30 million. And timing is key. Just imagine you coming in now, Legacy 2.0, and being able to sign up, getting your content out there, putting up your digital real estate, especially on Google, YouTube, so that it ranks. I want to help you do that. I would love to sponsor you, mentor you, be your mindset manifestation coach. Mindset is everything. You heard from Michelle O'Neill's lips. Those people who believe, who have it up here, just like Henry Ford said, whether you believe you can or whether you believe you can't, you, my friend, are right. If you can envision yourself right now If you can imagine yourself bringing in those $900 commissions, 600, 300, 100, same day payouts, folks, this is huge. Just a couple of years ago, when Michelle O'Neill launched the Legacy Builder program, there were those who came in early. Look at almost all of the top earners who've become millionaires. You have that chance right now. Getting into Legacy 2.0 is huge. Those of you, and Paulie B's in the circle, you right now have the upper hand. You right now can start getting out your content, coming out of your comfort zones. Just put up that content on social media, whether it be YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever your preference is. The main thing is that you take action. Folks, please do like, subscribe, and leave any comments, any questions. You know you can give me a call. Nothing's changed, right outside the Big Apple, New York City, Paulie B, at 862-658-2086. I'll leave that phone number in the description. Folks, I am excited. I hope you're excited. This is going to be explosive. Folks, the Legacy Builder program is happening, going to launch this Tuesday, March 11th at 11 a.m. I'm here up north. That'll be 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's do this. And folks, still, as we speak, over on the winds tab, you could see the winds coming in across planet Earth. Quincy, 300 made while watching Dateline. Folks, $900 watching television. Finally, I got the $900 program, 900 right after going live. Folks, these are happening. These wins are happening for average people from all walks of life who've never made money online before. Coming in with no experience, no tech skills, no followings. Most of them don't even have a YouTube channel, don't even have any social media accounts, and are crushing it. And so can you, folks. So can you. I can help you put up your YouTube channels. I can help you to do whatever it takes to hit the ground running. Legacy 2.0 is here. We're excited. Folks, I am elated. I want to see you start building generational wealth for your families. You could do this, folks. You could do it. We're all excited. And I hope you are too. And here we go. Folks, Legacy 2.0, I hope you're excited. I'm excited again. Any inquiring minds, give me a call at 862-658-2086. Thank you very much for your time once again. Make it a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless.